Hello everyone, my dear viewers, followers, and subscribers. Just introduce you the EMU birds. We are here in Helena, Montana, USA, and Broken Whale Farm. And here we go, just showing you the...
And we are here at their nesting area. In the winter they don't lay eggs, but it's been such a nice winter. She laid a few eggs for us, and Marissa would like to go have one for breakfast. So we're going to collect them, because all they'll do is break at this time of the year. We'll hatch them this spring, and we'll show you later.
Alright, that's the emu's eggs. We're gonna go inside the house and cook it. And
Thank you, Mr. Emu. You can shut that gate, right?
Yeah, I think.
it's a big farm.
Oh, wait, whoa. Can I close it?
Yeah. No. Go to the next wire. Shut it.
And here is the donkeys.
This pony right here.
And
To the next wire.
here's Athena's horse.
That's Taz.
Cass,
We'll show you the
Hi,
farm a little
Cass.
later.
you will be a superstar.
Right now, we're going to go and cook these emu eggs.
Yep. There we go.
Okay, turn it off, and then we'll go. There's the bird. Nick, we'll film that one before you leave. We'll film the
Yeah.
Brutus.
Here is the chickens. About 300 chickens. And here's the Broken Whale Farm. Yeah, I will not. A lot of chickens. Oh, what is
Peacock.
okay.
Albino peacocks.
And here's the albino peacocks. While showing you beautiful colors.
We'll get a nice close up of him.
And
He is our main male.
he is the male. So handsome male peacock. He's shy. There we go.
Kitty. Hi, Kiki. Come on, Kiki. Oh, let's go inside.